Welcome to Neelam Co, and this is Neelam. It was a year ago when I started this channel and it has been a great year. I want to thank you all of you for your continued support. I really appreciate it. Today I bring you an Ayurvedic recommended recipe, Besan Chilla or chickpeas flour pancake. So let's look at the ingredients. First thing we need is 1 cup of besan or chickpeas flour. You can buy it online or in any grocery store. Next we need is 1 cup of water, 1 small onion, 1 small green pepper, red pepper, salt and carom seed. So the first step is to chop the onion and the green chili very finely. I am chopping it very finely. See, very thin pieces, and same we are going to do with the chili. And now I am chopping green chili. And here they are chopped. And now I am making mixture for the pancake. Here it is 1 cup of besan, and then I am going to mix the water little by little so it does not get really thin. So I will wait here and see to have the good consistency I need for the chillas. And now I will add chili and onion and stir it again to look at the inconsistency. Yeah, I can add little bit of more water. I think that's good. So now I will add salt and pepper according to taste. I am also adding half teaspoon of carrom seed and 1/4 teaspoon of red chili and half teaspoon of salt, and stir it again really well. I think that's the right consistency. And if you want, you can also add cilantro to it. Make sure that the mixture is little runny like this, and if you let it stay for 30 minutes to 1 hour, the pancakes will be fluffy. And I'm going to mix it really well. To make the mixture more fluffy, I will keep on whisking it, maybe a couple of minutes. I am also chopping a few leaves of cilantro and going to add in the mixture. As always, dabbing the oil and wiping it out, and I am using non-stick pan today. I turn on the gas to the medium and to make sure that non-stick is really hot. I'm taking 1/4 cup of the batter and put it on the non-stick pan, and now I'm going to wait until the edges are cooked and they look golden, and it will take a couple of minutes. The pancake is turning golden from here, so now I'm going to flip it. It's already cooked on this side. We have to make sure that the other side is cooked too, so we will wait again for a couple of minutes. Let's see from the other side. Yes, it's cooked, so I'm going to take it on the plate. So this is the second pancakes, so let's see how it on the other side. It's perfectly cooked, so I will take it on my plate. The besan chillas are ready to eat now. It's a very healthy and nutritious breakfast. You can eat besan chillas in two ways, either with Greek yogurt, or you can use a little bit of cow's ghee and smear it on the pancake and then eat it. So this was my recipe for besan chillas. I hope you like it, and see you next time with my another video. Thank you for watching.